Listen up. If you a DoorDash driver out there and you trying to make extra money, you need to go ahead and pay attention. DoorDash is expanding their alcohol delivery service with even more options. So if you want to discover more earnings with top partners like Food Lion, Hannah Ford, Spirit Unlimited, stay tuned to unlock the secrets to maximize your earnings.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So DoorDash announces new alcohol delivery partnership and ad feature. Look, I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, FDA, the fastest dasher in the whole Milky Way. You better believe it. And today we got some exciting news for you guys. We talk about this on this channel. You know, you got your alcohol delivery orders, your shop and pay orders, your large catering orders. These are going to be the types of deliveries that expand your horizon on the DoorDash platform as a new driver, and they're going to allow you to make more money. So on the DoorDash website, they are announcing they are excited with the expansion of safe and responsible alcohol delivery from Food Lion, Hannah Ford, Giant Food, Martin, Stop and Shop, Buy Right Liquors, Big Red Liquors, and all of the Spirits Unlimited and Stu Leonard Wine and Spirits locations. All going to be added to the marketplace. And this is big news for Dashers, because that means if you have any of these merchants in your area, you may start seeing alcohol deliveries coming out of there. And that's a great thing. Alcohol orders tend to have a base pay starting at about $5. And depending on if you have to shop for that alcohol or if the alcohol is already pre-packaged and just ready for delivery, you can make quite a bit of money. In my experience, if you add alcohol delivery to your repertoire, it easily can add an extra $20 to $30 to each DoorDash shift that you do. So DoorDash also announced today that a suite of advertising offerings to enable brands to better connect with consumers looking to purchase and enjoy their alcohol safely. So not only are they expanding and they letting the Dashers know, they are running an ad campaign so that the consumers can know and hopefully start to spend that money, and you start to see some of them orders in your area. Now, from America's most popular brands, hard to find microbrews, fine wine, spirit imports, they thrilled to offer a wide selection in every style and price range. So that's important because look, you want to make sure that you can cater to all different levels, right? And I understand what they're doing there. And like I said, for the Dasher, typically, as long as it's alcohol, it's going to be paying you more in a base pay. So it's going to be a win-win on both sides, I believe. In 2023, the total number of alcohol stores available on DoorDash increased by 60%. So they're using that data to further increase and generate more business on the alcohol side of things, and to increase their share and their presence in the marketplace when it comes to facilitating these third-party deliveries. As DoorDash invests in scaling and advancing in the core retail and media solutions from performance to reporting, these new features enable brands to grow alongside rapidly changing consumer behavior. What they saying right there is basically, you know, customers are already ordering alcohol through Instacart or Uber or, you know, whatever they favorite grocery delivery app, maybe it's Walmart, Spark. So DoorDash is trying to broaden the horizon and get a bigger piece of that pie, because they already partner with a lot of locations, but now this is the next level to get a lot of these bigger merchants that are bigger names acquainted with the DoorDash algorithm and inside the DoorDash marketplace. Partnerships with Mac brands can now reach and convert DoorDash's millions of active global users across all channels. Partnerships with Symbiosis AI by leveraging advanced targeting optimization. Look, so basically, if you want to read this whole announcement on the DoorDash website, we will be leaving a link below. But to sum all of this up, they basically are sponsoring products for alcohol. What they saying is, guys, they spending a lot of money to make sure that the word gets out that this is going to be something that's available to consumers. And that's what it's all about. If consumers are willing to spend that money, then they are willing to facilitate that business. And the same thing should be said for the Dashers when you think about what this could mean for you, because most Dashers don't use the DoorDash app as a consumer, but when things like this happen, realize how that will have an impact on our earnings. And I think overall, the alcohol delivery side of DoorDash, as far as being a Dasher, overall, it does increase the opportunity that you have to make money. And at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. How many opportunities do you have as a Dasher to get out there and make that money? So just to recap real quick, you know, Lion Food, Hannah Ford, Giant Ford, Lion Food, Hannah Ford, Giant Foods, Martin's, Stop and Shop, Buy Right Liquors, Big Red Liquors, and all of the Spirit Unlimited and Stu Leonard wines and spirits will be added to the marketplace. So if you're a DoorDash driver and any of these places are in your market, I highly suggest that you opt in to the alcohol delivery. And if you go over and you click the link, there is a section at the bottom here that says learn here more about helping make alcohol delivery safe in every step of the process. If you want to make sure that you can get signed up to do these alcohol deliveries, they have a link on the page here where they have the information and you can get signed up. So look, that's all I got for you in today's video. Get out there, make your money, don't let nothing stop you, and let me know what your experience has been with alcohol deliveries. Do you find that it's worth your time, or is it something that you don't like to even bother with? You don't want to scan no ID, do no verification? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.